Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an 8-pointed ninja star. For this modular origami, you'll need 8 squares of paper of the same size. As you can see, my paper has 2 colors. If I start with the orange side facing up, the piece will look like this. But with the green side facing up, it's going to look like this here. For our first piece, first unit, we have to start by folding it in half diagonally. To do that, just bring one corner to the other. Once done, let's rotate in this position and fold the paper in half. Now on the first layer, let's bring the diagonal edge to the vertical. Now that we've made that mark, we can fully unfold . And now we're going to have to close the corner to the opposite side using these 2 diagonals we just made. So, let's close the corner down like this. This is the result. For the next step, we are going to need to make the top side straight, more or less like in this image. So just bring it down, aligning with the left side. And let's go to the other side. Repeat the same thing. Okay, let's rotate in this position and open. Starting on the right side, we are going to fold the top diagonal to the middle. This is the result. Let's do the same with the left. And now we can close the paper as before. We have our first unit ready. We need to make 7 more, and now it's just a matter of putting them together. First, you'll need to take 2 pieces, open the larger part of the first one, and fit the smaller end of the second one under the middle layers of the first. Then we close, and gently we'll push the paper inside as much as we can. If your paper is too soft, maybe you'll have a little bit of trouble here, but the important thing is to be very careful not to crush it. The third one we fit in the same way. And we'll follow the same logic until the end. At this point, we still have to put the first and last pieces together. Again, just follow the same logic. And then lastly, we can adjust a little, we can fix it a little, leaving everything very well aligned. Our 8-pointed ninja star is ready! If you want, you can now use a little bit of glue, so it doesn't fall apart anymore. I don't see any problem with that. I think the important thing is to have fun. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.